How to keep your account secure on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to keep your account secure on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now go click on those three lines up there. And click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And now click on privacy checkup. And click on how to keep your account secure. And now you can turn on login alerts or your password is okay. Just click on continue and turn on alerts. Turn on Facebook or emails to send you notifications if someone logins into your Facebook. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.